If the Google Play Store is not working on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you several simple methods to fix the problem. So make sure you watch until the end and don't miss any of the solutions. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap App or App Notification depending on your device. Find Google Play Store in the list and tap on it. Next, open Storage or Storage Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data and confirm it. Now go back the app list and find Google Play Services. You will do the same here. Open it and tap on Storage and clear the cache and clear data. After following the step, reboot your phone and check your problem solved or not. If the issue still isn't fixed, return to the Google Play Store app information page. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates and confirm the prompt to restore the Play Store to its factory versions. And finally restart your phone. After your phone turn back, open the Google Play Store again. In most cases, one of this method will solve the problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Android troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.